Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a lunch meal prep. It's going to be a caprese stuffed chicken. So I have my chicken, roma tomatoes, I have fresh basil, mozzarella cheese, and then I have a balsamic vinaigrette dressing that I'm gonna put on top, and I'm also gonna have a side of asparagus. So I am preheating the oven right now to 400 degrees. I will get the chicken ready to go, and I will have the recipe for this one in the description box if you wanna make it. All right, so first I'm gonna get the chicken ready to cook. Okay, so I have 2 chicken breasts for this meal prep this week. I'm going to fly them open. So I'm going to slice them through, but not all the way. So I'm going to keep the chicken attached. I'm just gonna fly it open. After I have each chicken breast opened up, I'm going to add in shredded mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to put a layer of that on each side of the chicken. You can use any kind of cheese you'd like. I like to use mozzarella for stuffed chicken because it melts really well. After I get the mozzarella cheese spread across, I'm going to add in sliced fresh roma tomatoes. These are really delicious if you can get them fresh. I got these straight out of my friend's garden, so they are really yummy. So I have those sliced across the chicken, and then I also have some fresh basil. Again, this is from my sister-in-law's garden, and it is fresh and so delicious. So I have it spread across the chicken, and I'm going to put the chicken back together. I'm going to put the top over and secure it. I'm going to add a toothpick so that each piece stays together while we cook it. Now that this chicken is secure, I'm going to cut it in half so that it's already portioned into our meal prep portions for each day this week. I'm going to put it into my pyrex dish, and I'm going to add the balsamic vinaigrette dressing just on top of the chicken. This gives it a lot of the balsamic flavor. It's really yummy. So I'm going to spread that across, and I have my asparagus, which I'm also going to use the same balsamic dressing. And I'm also going to add some garlic powder, and I will toss these around so that they're all coated. Now I'm going to put it all in the oven, which is preheated at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and our chicken and asparagus will be ready. All right, so this super quick and easy lunch meal prep is ready for the week. So I have a healthy caprese stuffed chicken with a side of asparagus. So I'm gonna portion it all out into my lunch containers. I'm using the same ones that I love for lunch. They're glass, and I just get them on Amazon. You can check that link out in my description if you'd like. So I'm gonna put a piece of chicken and some asparagus in each container, and we'll be ready to go for the week. All right, so our super healthy lunch for the week is ready to go and portioned into our meal prep containers. So check the description for the recipe for this one if you want to make it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other weekly lunch and breakfast meal prep videos. I hope that you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.